Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how you can fix now.gg if it's not working. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm going to show you today.
Well, if now.gg is not working, to be honest with you, fixing it is pretty easy and simple.
So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can do this by checking your connection speed. And then in the next step, what you need to do is restart BlueStacks. Close and reopen BlueStacks. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. However, if this doesn't help, go to the next step. That is update BlueStacks. Well, if restarting doesn't help, check if there is an update available for the BlueStack, and if it is, install it. After that, what you need to do is clear your browser data. For that, what you need to do is open your Chrome or your preferred browser, go to the settings, find the privacy and security section, and then what you need to do is clear the browsing data to ensure there are no issues from the cached files. Another method is disabling your VPN. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it because sometimes VPN can interfere with the app connectivity. And then in the next and final step, all you can do is restart your computer to apply all changes and refresh the system. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.